Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to be making this lovely parrot here. Very excited about it. One of my lovely Christmas gifts this year. So I am excited for the 3-and-1 category. I am going to be making the parrot today. If you would like to be seeing the fish and or the frog, just let me know down below and I will, I guess, disassemble this beautiful bird right here and make the other stuff. But otherwise, enjoy watching me assemble this nice bird that you cannot kill. So, it's a beautiful pet. Depending on, I'm gonna go with comments and likes if we want to see the lovely frog or the lovely fish. Let me know. But I will be just creating the parrot today. So, I'm not opposed to doing the frog and the fish. I just need to know from y'all if you'd like to see it. So let's begin with the parrot. I do enjoy how they've switched to a paper bag now. That's kind of interesting. I'm guessing it has to do with a green initiative LEGO is doing. So why not go green and use some slightly less disposable plastics. That works. We've got a lovely flower now attached to the base. Now we've got our second flower. Base of the bird. Got a nice wing here. We've added his tail. Very nice. Very nice. Oh no, I think I lost a piece. No worries, the piece that was lost I have found right over here. So whoever was in charge of controlling this piece, you did not do a good job, and you'll need to pick it up for next time. We got our two wings, tail, moving on to the head. Woohoo! Very nice. Very nice. We got our parrot. How gorgeous is that? Voila! Just like that. It looks a little crooked. There we go. Turn it so it looks a lot better. Nice job.